We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some delicious jerk oxtails, y'all, that I made in a crock pot. This is my way, not authentic. And here are our ingredients. Okay, these are our ingredients. Let's get to cooking. Here we're seasoning up our oxtails. Here we're adding our jerk seasoning. There are so many types of jerk seasonings out there. You just choose which one you want to, add to your oxtails. Now we're adding onion powder, garlic powder, crushed red peppers. This is optional. You can use black pepper if you prefer. Now we are mixing in our seasonings as best as we can. Just mix it all into your meat. You can use gloves if you prefer. Here I decided to use just a little more jerk seasoning. Now we're adding in our sliced bell peppers and onions. I'm using the frozen kind, but I prefer the fresh. This was all I had at the time, and this is what I'm using. Okay, everything is well mixed in. Now we're going to let these sit for maybe 2 or 3 hours. If you want to make this ahead of time, you can. The night before you want to cook them, cover them in foil and let them sit overnight, and then go to your next step. Okay, these are our oxtails. We have let them sit and marinated, and now we're going to go to our next step by placing them into our crock pot. Here I have placed my oxtails in a crock pot, and I have used a whole container of beef broth and poured it in there. That's what's going to make our gravy. And so I'm going to let this cook for like 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, or until they get the tenderness that you prefer. And then we're going to go to our next step. Here our oxtails has cooked for like 4 to 4.5 hours, and here I am skimming off the fat from the top and removing them from our crock pot. These are all cooked well and tender, so I decided to remove them out of the crock pot because I don't want them to cook any longer, and I'm going to use this broth, this old flavorful broth, and save it for my gravy. I wish you all could be here, y'all. These oxtail smells amazing. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. I'm gonna continue showing you all our oxtails as I remove them from the crock pot. I'm not gonna be saying anything, and as soon as I finish removing them, I'm gonna be right back. Somebody probably said, Miss D, you're not going to use this broth? Oh, yes, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to thicken it up for our gravy. Like I said, I remove my oxtails. If you want to leave those in, you can, and just skim them off and add your gravy powder. You can. Just make this recipe yours. There are two options that you can use to thicken up your gravy. You can use the brown gravy, or you can use cornstarch. Just make this recipe yours. Be very careful when adding your brown gravy, because you don't want any clumps in there. Just smooth it around in there, and it should do good. Depending on how thick you want your gravy, I didn't place a lot of the brown gravy in mine because I don't want it too thick. This is the way I prefer mine to be. And so I'm going to continue to stir this around, and then I'm going to place my top back on my crock pot. If you want to add in your oxtails, now is the time to add them back in. And then we're going to let those simmer, and let it simmer just maybe about a good 15 minutes while I'm preparing my rice. As y'all can see, I'm using my rice cooker to prepare my rice. And as soon as my rice gets finished, I'll know that my gravy is finished. And so then we're going to be back with our final result. Okay, y'all, everything is ready. Our oxtails are ready. Our gravy is ready. Our rice is ready. Y'all, these are so delicious. I wish I can share this with each and every one of you. This meal was so good. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. My favorite word of the day: if life throws you lemons, make lemonade, and make you a big tall glass of it and enjoy it with plenty of ice. Stay strong and be encouraged, and know that Jesus loves you, and so do I. Have a wonderful day.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!